Welcome to Pavithra Laptop Care, Mr. Anji. So today we have received a parcel here.
Yes.
So what are the problem we will check, okay? We'll open the parcel. It has come from Kumta.
Kumta, sir.
Kumta. Here is the address. They have sent two laptops, okay? This is Lenovo and one is Dell. The customer complaint is no powering on. Both are the laptops, same issue. This is Lenovo.
Lenovo ThinkPad
430.
T430S.
Yes. Okay. Next, one more.
This is Dell, sir.
This is Dell. For the model, you have to press here. Model number Latitude E5400.
E540.
Okay. So we will connect to the DC. Before that, we will open the laptop and what are the condition of this laptop. So we will check one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. See, we have received this laptop. Okay. Now we are checking Lenovo. Okay. First condition, we need to check the battery in case of no power on. It has short or not. Okay. Sorry, not battery. It's a charging DC jack.
This.
First you check that one. See, what is the condition of this DC jack?
Physical damage.
Okay. First we will open the motherboard and we will check physically it has short or not. Okay. In case of DC jack has issue, we will replace the DC jack and we will check the voltage and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See here, first we need to check the DC jack, but here the condition, it has gone. Okay. Maybe they forcefully put the adapter, because of this here it has burned.
Wait, sir, I will show you.
Please, okay. Yes, sir. This is the point, yeah. See? It has burned. So it's 100% sure somewhere 19 volt section having some short or it has opened. Okay, this one. This one. Showing you. See, this is a polar capacitor, right? Yes.
Yeah, polar capacitor.
Yes, capacitor has burned. So we need to check nearby sections also. That ICs and all we need to check. Thoroughly we need to check. First we will open completely the motherboard. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, first step is first we need to check positive and negative has short or not. Okay, that is compulsory in case of short circuits. And second, physical damages. Just while opening itself, we have seen here a capacitor has burned. Okay, and here DC jack already has gone. So after opening, we will check one by one. So you have removed the motherboard now. This is DC jack. Okay. First you need to check 19 volt section. First you find out the CLR here. Okay, yes, CLR to ground, right? So CLR to ground we are checking. So there is no short in CLR section.
No.
But that capacitor has
Polar
burned.
capacitors.
Polar capacitors you can check.
Polar capacitor also.
Main problem is
This one.
here.
This one, from this one only it's happened problem.
Yes. First we check here also you can check positive and negative. No short.
No short. Ground. Short nothing is there.
Nothing
But
there.
what happened? This is broken totally.
When they connected voltage, so that broken DC jack made this kind of issues. So because of this, it's not operating. Okay. First we
Yes, sir.
will find out. First physically we will check all the components. If any components are burnt or anything happened, so first we will check. Okay.
Yes.
Nearby sections, everything we will check. Then we give the power supply.
Okay.
We need to replace this jack. Okay.
Yes.
So you have removed that non-polar capacitor, right?
Yes.
So where it is
Here.
Okay. Any other damages nearby that
No, sir. After first we have checked that nearby the components also.
components? Yeah,
Yes.
that also you need to check.
Yes, yes.
So you are replacing the capacitor from scrap board, right?
Yes.
It will come. Once you open, then only. Different technicians having their own skill. Okay. Usually we have to remove through the hard blower. Okay. now we have replaced the capacitor, right?
Yes, sir. Non-polar.
No problem. So once again you need to check the short.
Yes, sir. No short.
There is no short.
Individual
Okay.
also we have to check.
Yeah. Okay. Individual also no short. So now this board is ready at present. Okay. So now the part is power supply section, right?
Yes, sir.
Here at present we don't have this DC jack, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So for that we do one thing. We'll
We
do
have
the
to
soldering work through the cable. We can connect to the DC jack.
Yes, sir.
I mean DC machine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's do some work for this.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So we have taken different jack. Okay, some R&D work we are doing. So now we are checking positive negative, right? So there is no short in positive negative.
No
Okay.
short.
So temporarily we have connected this DC jack
Yes, sir.
for checking purpose.
Only
Because
checking
this
purpose.
board we don't have, we will order it. Okay. Till the time for further repair things should be there, no? So that's why we connected this one. So shall we connect and check?
Yes, sir.
See, first you connect this PCB to the motherboard. After also you have to check this positive and negative,
Okay, sir.
I short or not. Keep it here, आराम से. While doing the service, we should not do in hurry. Okay, properly we have to connect. This is
No, we are fixing cabinet out. Here screw will come.
screw. Oh, okay. Then we'll fix in the cabinet and we'll check. Check that's getting short or not.
Yes.
Downside. Otherwise, you put on tape. That's better option.
No, screw.
Downside here. Here you can put on tape for safety purpose.
Tape, nothing.
This one you can put. Anyway, we are not using, so like this. Because while doing this kind of service, safety is very important. The further damage should not happen. So this way. See, after connecting this, once again we need to check for safer side. See, there is no short. Okay. So other side,
No short.
other side, that is the ground. Okay. Now we can give the DC and check. See here 20 volts, but in CLR there is no voltage, right?
Yes, sir.
0.467 something is there, but in CLR there is no voltage. 0.5 voltage also no issue, no use. Thoroughly we need to check one by one. Okay. And what about V section? You check any capacitor V section, big one, opposite side.
3 point.
No, there is no voltage. It's a kilo. Okay, leave it. We'll check one by one now.
Okay.
See, temporarily we made it ready. This is the DC jack from other laptop. Okay, but exact DC jack we couldn't find out, so that's why we connected to other DC jack, the same Lenovo one. Okay, now we are checking CLR section. Okay, if voltage comes, then we can do some other things. So if it don't comes, then this section we will check. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now let us connect. I'll hold this one because it will be shaky. Now give the power supply.
Can I correct, sir?
Yeah, please connect.
Ampere is nothing is showing, sir.
See, it's completely 0 ampere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Voltage is 20 volts.
Okay, I will check now CLR. CLR.
CLR. CLR voltage,
Nothing is there.
no indication.
No indication.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So we have connected the DC. Then also there is no voltage in CLR.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here actually usually input section one fuse is there. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
F2 is there.
What is it? F2.
F2.
That is the main section.
Here.
There, there voltage coming or not? Please check it out.
See, sir. This I am checking right now output side.
Okay. That is input actually.
Yeah, this is input.
1 minute. Yes, input voltage is there. 20 volts.
Output I will check now.
Just a minute. Yeah, please check out.
This is input, sir.
Okay.
And output is check voltage.
See, there is no voltage.
There is no voltage. Like this type
So
is that
it
fuse
means,
is opened.
yeah, from fuse it's not coming. Okay, that 20 volts is there. No, that's not coming.
Yes, sir.
Here fuse has blown, I think so. See that damaged spot. Again we need to check thoroughly. So if it has damage, so then definitely we have to replace it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, we do that one. We will find out the fuse and we will replace it.
Okay, sir.
We found a fuse in scrap board, so that we are going to replace. When we checked that fuse continuity, it has open. So that's the reason we are replacing the fuse. Perfect. Okay. Now check the continuity once again. Mr. Anji, for safer side, two what is that, MOSFETs are there. That
Yes.
continuity also you need to check. Source to drain. Okay. Fuse okay now,
Yes, sir.
but that cold test we will call. So that two MOSFETs are there. No,
Yes,
that
sir.
continuity also we can check.
Oh,
See, there may be chances, right? See, no, source to drain you check. That's it, opposite side. See, it has gone. Okay.
yes, sir.
So
And this
that
one?
one, other one. That is good, I think so.
That is good. Yeah, this is good, sir.
See, by practicing, we come to know what are the section has damaged. Okay.
This is good,
At
sir.
a time we can't learn anything.
First-
Okay. First one we
first
need to
one.
replace. Okay, we will find out what is that MOSFET number and all. So then we will replace it. Okay. See now what we have done. So one we replace the fuse. Okay. Second we replace the MOSFET.
MOSFET,
This is P channel MOSFET. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before it was short. Now there is no short
Yes, sir.
because it's a new one. Now let us check.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
give the supply. Careful, I'll hold this one. See, hold this DC jack. If any over voltage comes, so immediately you have to remove.
Okay, sir.
Check the amp once. You can connect and immediately, yeah, amp increasing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now there is no heat sink, right?
Yes, sir.
So that one you have to
Okay,
put the
remove.
heat sink and then remove. Put the heat sink and once again we will check. Put the RAM also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is the RAM. Yeah, heat sink. This is the final section.
Yes, sir.
You have done this service, so you have to give the explanation. What are the things from the beginning? Okay,
Yes,
from the
sir.
beginning to end. And output part also we need to check. Keyboard, light.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Now it's okay.
Okay. So first we will connect this and we will check the output section is working or not. Okay. You can connect the keyboard.
Now okay, correct, sir?
Okay, you can connect. Check the amp increased,
Yeah.
Okay.
Fan also rotating.
fan also rotating. So keyboard numlock, then press check. It will take some time, but anyway we'll check. Do one thing, put some other RAM,
RAM.
or put the slot, change the slot, clean the RAM and put. So customer didn't tell anything, it was working or not, but he told only dead. Okay. Okay. Okay, correct. Got increased. Sometimes in that case, bias also issue will be there. Okay. So one by one we need to check.
Yes, sir.
Let us wait for some time. Sometimes it will take time to get the display. It was not properly connected, I think so. Yes, actually, see, the USB was not properly fixed, so now it's connected, right?
Yes, sir.
Cam?
Yeah, display
Okay.
is came, sir.
Now we do one thing. We connect the display and we will check.
Okay, sir.
That also we can do.
Yes.
Yeah, remove the display and directly we can connect. Display is there. There. Okay, some people will tell, see, in the keyboard it will come and the display won't come. Okay, in that situation also we need to check. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, we are connecting directly the display. So you have to hold that properly. Careful, yeah. Okay, there should not be short kind of thing. Okay, now you are connecting. Okay, now 700, 800. Yes. Okay. Success. Display has come. So Anji, done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Now you have to explain what are the things you have done. Okay, remove that. Yes.
Hi, sir.
Please be seated. Yes. What was the condition from the beginning? You can. Hi.
Actually, this customer sent to dead condition.
Okay.
The DC jack also gone to damage, physical damage.
Okay. DC jack.
We don't
Okay.
know how to he is checked. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But after opening, some burn condition also is there.
Okay.
Some bipolar capacitors burning also is
Okay.
there.
First, you have done physical inspection, right?
Physically, yeah.
In
Physically
in
our
physical
In
check,
physical checking that burn
DC.
condition is also.
burnt also was
DC
there.
jack also
Okay.
damaged.
Okay.
After that one, I was checked input section.
Okay.
CLR, STR
CLR.
voltage. Input voltage is also not coming. Input also not coming. And after that one, before CLR, MOSFET is there. Na?
Yeah.
That MOSFETs also I was checked. That MOSFET, so
was
first
giving
MOSFET
it.
is a PCM MOSFET. That is gone to short. Before that one fuse also is there.
Okay.
That fuse also burnt. Little
Okay.
Just that one. After replacing that one, I was checked that MOSFET. MOSFET also short. Again, I will replace the new MOSFET, the PCM MOSFET. After replacing that one, I will check that display.
Okay.
The display is coming now working fine.
So now you check it through the keyboard and as well as display.
Through keyboard also check.
Check it. Now the only thing is you need to order that DC section, DC jack section,
Yes.
and then you have to give to customer.
Now we have to replace this DC.
DC.
Jack.
Okay. DC jack.
After releasing that one, we can give to customer
Okay.
later.
Now this is the first service in PLC. So how you are feeling?
Fine, sir.
Fine.
by practical,
Hmm.
very happy.
Okay. Thank you once again, Mr. Anji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.